Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your Thermomix TM31 is making a horrible grinding noise, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to the blades being misaligned or damaged, which can lead to further complications if left unchecked. If not repaired in time, this grinding can cause additional wear on the motor, potentially leading to more expensive repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and some lubricant for the moving parts. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to guarantee your safety during the repair. Start by turning the device upside down, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the base. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the base off, taking care not to damage the wires connected inside. Now, locate the blade assembly. This is typically the component that is causing the grinding noise. Inspect the blades for any visible damage or misalignment. To extract the assembly, gently twist and pull it upwards. If it's stuck, you may need to use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose, but be cautious not to damage any surrounding parts. Once you have the blade assembly out, check the motor underneath for any debris or damage. Clean the area with a cloth and apply some lubricant to ensure smooth operation. Now, when replacing the blade assembly, ensure it is seated correctly and securely in place. You may need to tighten it down using the pliers if it feels loose. Remember, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the blades, it's time to replace the base. Carefully align it back onto the device and replace all screws, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not over-tightened to avoid stripping them. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test to check for any remaining grinding noises. If you hear a smooth operation, congratulations, you've successfully fixed the issue. To prevent this problem from reoccurring, regularly check the blades for wear and tear and ensure they are cleaned thoroughly after each use. This will help maintain their alignment and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.